Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 51 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science. And today we discuss about the muscular tissue. Gyan asked, Jigyasa Didi, how does our body perform different type of movement and which tissue help us in the movement? Jigyasa reply, Gyan, our body perform different type of the movement only because of the muscles, and these muscles are made up of the muscular tissue and which is made up of the elongated cells, and these cells are called muscle fibers. These muscle fibers contain a special type of protein that is called contractile protein, which have the ability to contract and relax to cause the movement. This is the answer of your first question, student. What is the function of the muscles and the muscle fiber? Actually, our body show movement only due to the presence of muscles. You have hands, but in hands there are the muscles due to which your hand functions properly. In your legs there are the muscular tissue so that you can walk, you can run, you can jump, you can hop like a frog. So these muscles are made up of the muscular tissue, and these muscular tissue have a special protein, students, that is contractile protein, and this contractile protein continuously contract and relax, which cause movement. There are the two types of the muscular tissue, student. One is our voluntary and second is involuntary. Voluntary tissue, those muscles which can be controlled by our own wish and will as per our requirement, these are called the voluntary. It means they work according to our wish. For example, muscle of our hands and feet. These are attached with the bones or the skeleton, so they are also called skeleton muscles. Second is involuntary, which do not control by our wish and will, which can't be controlled by our own will. For example, smooth muscle and cardiac muscles. It means our heart, our lungs, and the flow of the food in the food pipe. It can't be controlled by you. If you want that the food is digested after 5 minutes, that can't be possible, students. It means they are out of our wish and will. So it is controlled by themselves, not by our wish. These are known as the involuntary muscular tissue. Muscular tissue is of the three types, student. First is striated, second smooth, and third one is cardiac. If we talk about the striated, why it is called the striated? Because there has light and dark color bands, and due to this light and dark color bands, it is called the strip muscle or striated muscles. They are long, they are cylindrical, they are unbranched, and they are multinucleated. They work voluntarily in the nature. It means they are controlled by our wish and will, and they are mostly attached with the bone. They are called the skeleton muscle, and they help in the movement of our body. This is the diagram of striated muscles. You can also see in the diagram their shape is cylindrical, they are long, they are unbranched, and they are multinucleated. Okay, student. Next one is our smooth muscles. Why they are called smooth? Because they do not have any dark or light bands. So it is called smooth muscles or non-striated muscles. And their structure, they are very long but single nucleated and unbranched. They have tapering at the end. It means they are spindle shaped, student. Not the spherical, not the cylindrical. They have spindle shape. And they are found in the internal organs like windpipe, iris of eye, bronchi of lungs, and stomach. Okay. The last one is our cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are cylindrical, branched, uninucleated, and only found in our heart. These muscles, student, never got tired and show the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart. You notice that your heart continuously relax and contract. Why? Due to these cardiac muscles. Okay, now let's do the practice question. What is the function of muscular tissue? I explained to you in the first paragraph. Which muscle tissue is found in the heart and what are its features? Which tissue is found in the heart, student? That is involuntary muscle tissue. What are its features? There are some features given. I underline these for you. These are some features, student. You have to write. These muscles never get tired. Show rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart. This is also you have to written in the answer number 2. Differentiate between striated, smooth and cardiac muscles. So student, here the all points given to you between these three. You have to draw the diagrams of all these three. And also you have to write the differences. This is the answer of your third question. What are involuntary muscle tissue and where they are located? This is the answer of your fourth question, student. About the involuntary muscle tissue and their location. I think this worksheet is very easy for you. If you like that worksheet, please share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light and press the bell icon to get the notification of the each and every worksheet earlier than others. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.